In this project series, we will build a simple chat app using Socket.io. Before I show you the app, I would like to remind you that the app that we will build will be using all of these frameworks that you see on the screen. So if you want to build an app with Angular and Go or Vue.js and Django, the links will be provided in the description of this video. Also, make sure to check our website scalablescripts.com. Now let's see the app that we will build. So this is the app. I opened two browsers, one in Chrome and one in Safari, so we can send messages to the other browser. So if I send here hi, you can see the message also on Safari as well. And if I write here hello there, you will see the message appear here also. So this is a simple version of the app which will be available on YouTube. If you want, the more advanced version of the app will be available in scalablescripts.com. So this is the advanced version. We can see that we can create a 2 people room and multiple people room. We can send messages, we can send images, and we can also use the pagination here. Also, each user is logged in as well. And we have a search box here where we can filter the rooms. So these are the apps that we will build. Check the links in the description to see them. Thank you.